Now let's move into the second big idea is reducing friction internally. The example you gave is, within departments. So you can talk about how can you reduce friction internally better?
You bet. Part of that is also inventory internal touch points.
Mm.
And what we want to take a look at is what are the interactions within a department? So finance, accounts payable, accounts receivables, with hiring and selection processes, with sales. So it's important to understand in inventory what those processes look like. And we look at what's the transactional volume, what's the FTE allocation, what's it cost you to run the process. Also, an important point of this is looking at functional processes, and that's where we see a lot of issues, is the teamwork that it takes to successfully move things from, for example, from human resources to payroll in terms of any changes for the employee, um, from marketing to sales, from orders to finance, from operations to administration, and also from example risks to legal. So looking at cross-functional processes are important. Part of that then is, again, identifying where there are issues from a quality standpoint, efficiency, service standpoint, and then dig down and say, what is the root cause or rework occurring that's causing the issue? And in essence, what's the friction? Where are we not
Mm.
having a seamless transaction occurring? Um, Once we've identified that, it's again doing the detailed mapping of the process, looking at the technology platforms, looking at what's in place today. Can it be better utilized or configured? And on new technology, identifying it doesn't make sense. You don't want to buy technology and spend money on something that's not going to improve processes.
Hmm.
The vendors don't mind, but so part of this is adding steps to the process, not eliminating steps to improve quality. If we improve quality, efficiency becomes a natural byproduct. And I think this is something that's been lost. So when we talk about becoming frictionless, reducing friction, it is doing it right the first time.
Yeah, well said. It's so important to do that for communication, for flow, for workflow, and you made some